It's not a fatal mistake, but ano yan eh, malalim yan. I'm looking at the case right now, at the error, the seemingly, but it looks like a grievous error.
So it will not affect the case?
It will not affect the case.
First, Zuluetas or his lawyer, wala pang pinapadala kahapon. May effort ba tayo, sir, to locate?
Yes, I'm asking the NBI to contact his family so that they can know his whereabouts.
Sir, sabi ni Roy Mabasa, meron daw leads ang PNP. Would you know? Meron?
Not yet, wala pa akong coordination, wala pa.
Sir, may request if pwede ba daw i-open the media coverage ang preliminary investigation?
Ano yan eh. Alam mo, may privacy rights pa tayo kasi may presumption for innocence. Pag ginawa natin yan, parang tayong nag-condemn ng tao kagad. We don't really want to make a spectacle of that proceeding.
Sec, another matter, yung president ng Atom Corporation, si Batilio Bote, yesterday said na hindi naman daw sila na-inform na cancel na yung JPA. They were waiting for approval from the president of the DOJ. They were just...
Ano, the memorandum is very clear, signed by Secretary Guevara.
Was he informed of that memorandum, Mr. Bote?
I'm sure that Mr. Bantag was informed.
Mr. Bantag.
Secretary, next week daw po, sir, Sir John Consulta mas Jenny Senate. Sir, next week daw po magkakasin ng NBI ng supplemental evidence sa kanilang mga sinampang kaso. How significant do you think that this would play?
Ano yan eh, case build-up is ongoing even if the case is filed already. Alam nyo, these are not simple cases, no? These are very novel cases in terms of the way it was solved and the way that the evidence came into being. Kaya dapat dyan, ano talaga, non-stop talaga ang trabaho.
Sir, may nilibing daw po na 70 na...
Yes, yes.
Sir, na-autopsy na po kaya ang mga ito?
Hindi na kaya i-autopsy yung iba eh, no? Kasi advanced state na, mummified na nga yung iba, talaga natuyo na, very dry, so very, very valiant effort ang kinakailangan para malaman mo talaga sa autopsy ang mga bagay-bagay.
Lahat po galing sa Eastern Funeral Service.
Yes, yes, yes.
Sir, wala na pong investigation po doon. Inilibing po po ka.
Well, if there's any finding or complaint later on that leads to another investigation, we are not discounting the possibility of exhumation if necessary.
Sir, magkakaroon po ba ng investigation about high-profile inmates na namatay supposedly due to COVID?
Well, we will let everything unfold on a daily basis. There are already feelers of persons who want to speak about other things that happened within the BuCor compound.
Sir, sino po kaya itong mga taong kung na gusto magsalita? Mga anong position?
PDLs din yung marami. PDLs din yung nakakaalam na maraming bagay. Sino talaga? May kasabihan pa nga, if the walls could talk, nagsalita na lahat yan. Siyempre, there are a lot of secrets behind the whole complex.
By the way, when will Dr. Fortune submit a report on the...
I will try to speak with her this weekend kasi mag-update lang kami ng aming alam, no, sa bawat isa. And of course, just to make sure that we're on the same page about what we want to happen in the future. Kasi na-delay pa yung signing namin ng MOA with the University of the Philippines.
Anong cost ng delay?
Probably it's me kasi I've been out of the country. I've been doing a lot of things other than attending to this case. Kasi marami naman tayong trabahong iba sa Department of Justice.
Sir, kailan po kaya ini-expect yung i-sign ng MOA?
Hopefully, ano yan, within the next 7 to 10 days, everything will be clearer. Ano kasi, syempre, marami talagang ginagawa ngayon and year-end pa. We're doing a lot of things. Yung tinatawag na year-end rush, meron ho tayong mga kailangan tapusin.
Sir, pero has she proceeded with the autopsy? How many has she...
I think more than 5 already.
Sir, balikan ko lang si Mr. Bote. Meron siyang bagong offer yesterday. I-donate niya 200 hectares of land sa bayan niya sa Dismissal.
I want everything in writing. I don't want... kasi minsan, kwento-kwento, sabihin pag-usapan natin, pinapalaki pa nila eh. Alam mo, it has to be in writing. Pag wala kasi in writing, wala tayong magagawa. All of these things, pag kwento lang, wala tayong magagawa. Put it in writing and we will act on it.
Sir, reaction sa conviction ng Caloocan Top na lumabas yesterday for the torture and planting of evidence against Kulot and Father Niles?
Well, what we can say is really, we do not want impunity to rule in our country, so we don't want impunity. Hindi ho tayo nag-ano ng impunity. We will never succumb to impunity. All of these forces have to deal with the consequences of all their actions.
Ilang cases pa po ba ang na-file under the...
May mga bagong cases pa kami fina-follow up eh. Marami pa. A lot of people are coming out now and saying their piece because they know that the office is open to all persons who wish to file complaints in the past for things that happened in the past.
Check with your intelligence, patanong na lang ang officer. Sir, kumusta na raw po sir yung pong case na bisig sa bungeros na nasa DOJ?
Well, yung case mismo, yung finding them, wala pa akong balita. No? I will ask the NBI and the police to brief me on this matter in the soonest possible time. Siyempre, ano yan, masakit yan kasi disappearances ng tao yan. And people, their families really want to know what happened to them. And of course, kung sila man ay wala na, they want to be given decent burials by the families.
Medyo disappointed na daw yung ibang mga kamag-anak kasi yung ibang kaso daw sa mabilis po yung resolution. Yung kanila po medyo matagal daw po sir.
Ano yan eh, we need breaks eh. We need breaks to get leads, para we can act on it properly eh. Nagkataon lang that there are some cases that are faster to solve because of the availability of evidence. Alam mo lahat yan, you just follow the evidence eh. Pag walang ebidensya, paano natin maaayos lahat yan?
Baka lang po sir, meron kayong short words of regards kasi sa mga pamilya po sir.
Huwag ho silang mag-alala, hindi ho kami titigil. We will continue working on all of these cases. Hindi ho namin titigilan.
Sec,
Follow up lang po sa nirecommend for clemency.
Yes.
By
Well, I will talk to the Executive Secretary in this first week of December to have a dialogue with him about all the recommendations for clemency.
300 po.
Mahigit yan. I think that we might arrive at around 600 clemencies already by the time that December comes in.
Sir, yung 7,000 na sinabi niyo po kanina na
5,000, more than 5,000.
more than
Oh.
by next year po yung
By June 30, I want to sana at least 5,000 yung mapakawalan natin, no? Based on the work that we do on a daily basis and based on the carpetas that are there. Kasi dati ang problema, slow incoming ng karpeta, unlike now, talaga lumalabas na ang karpeta. And of course, the Public Attorney's Office is helping us. Sila pinakamalaking tulong dito sa ginagawa natin ngayon.
Sir, kung gusto mo sir by 2028 sir, wala na pong bilibid. Kung downscale lang po ito.
Sana wala na, no? I want regional jails to come up already, regional prisons to be there already para ang ating correction system maging world class na. I want us to be world class. We cannot be behind any country.
Sir, kinubanggit ninyo na illegal connection ng mga kuryente
Oo.
sa likod ng
Oo.
Bilibid. Has that been resolved already?
Yes, we're working on it now because Meralco and the acting director will be in dialogue about this matter because we cannot have a sub-metering facility, hindi ho tayo papayag. Ano pala yan? I think that I've mentioned an email, iba pala yung email na nakita ko that nagsabi sa akin tungkol dito. It's a different source. Sorry.
So, nasa email.
Not the CJ.
Sir, tungkol doon sa hukay, dinala raw sir sa Caloocan yung mga lupa po galing dito sir?
Hindi pa namin alam eh. We're following the trail. We will use we will try to use satellite imagery. Baka makita pa natin sa satellite imagery.
Sir, yung estimate na 1.2 billion cubic meters, si Mr. Bote is saying na baka hindi tama na figure?
Well, that's an independent estimate. Sana, they should come up with a better estimate. Basta marami. 7-story building, pwede mo ilubog sa loob eh. Pasama foundation.
It will take the parang 60,000 dump trucks para ito.
I don't know. Okay? Sige, thank you.